student, this is question from class 10, chapter 2, polynomial, exercise 2.2, question 1. Let's do its second part. We have 4s square minus 4x plus 1 here. So we are going to find the zeros of the polynomial first by factorization method. So we will do this factorization by splitting the middle term. So coefficient of s square here is 4 and constant term is 1 here. So 4 1 is 4. So we have to find the factors of 4. When we multiply it, we get 4 and when we add or subtract, we get 4. So that is 2. That can be 2 and 2. 2 to the 4 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So let us split the middle term. We have 4s square. And we are going to write here minus 2s and minus 2s here plus 1 minus 2 is minus 4 here. So now common here will be 2s and we are left with 2s and minus 1 here. Here we have 2s minus 1 and this is minus 2s plus 1. So we are going to take minus 1 here so that our sign will be the same as 2s minus 1 here. Now we have 2s minus 1 and this is 2s minus 1. Value of this quadratic polynomial will be 0 when 2s minus 1 is equal to 0 for this, and for this also 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. So this will be 2s is equal to 1 or s is equal to 1 by 2. Here also 2s is equal to 1 and s will be is equal to 1 by 2. Let's say this is our alpha and this is our beta here. Now these are the zeros of the polynomials which we got. So zeros here are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 here. Now let us write the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square, plus bx plus c. Okay, now let us write our quadratic equation which we have, that is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So we will write down here 4s square minus 4s plus 1 here. So a here is 4 and b here is minus 4 and our constant term is 1 here. Now let us find the relationship between the coefficient and the zeros, that is sum of zeros. Sum of zeros should be equal to minus b by a, that is coefficient of x minus coefficient of x and by coefficient of x square here. So sum of zeros here is, we know our zeros are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Sum of zeros will be, it means alpha and beta should be equal to minus b by a. Alpha we have is 1 by 2 and beta is also 1 by 2. Minus b we have write minus here and we have b is minus 4 here and a here is our 4. Now we see here, taking the LCM, we have 2 LCM here and we have 1 plus 1 and that is 4 by 4, that cancels out, we have 1, and we have 2 by 2 here, we cancel out 1 and 1 is equal to 1. So this was the zeros of the polynomial. Now let us find the product of the polynomial. So we know product of the zeros, product of zeros is equal to c by a. C is constant term here and a is coefficient of x square here. Okay, now we have product of zeros is alpha into beta should be equal to c by a. Let's see what is our alpha. Our alpha was 1 by 2 and beta was 1 by 2 as well. So it will be 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 and c here we got was, here we see c is 1 and a is here our 4 here. So we will write it down and we have 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So we have verified the relationships, hence verified. I hope you understood this question. Thank you.